You're watching Ambit Jumpstart screencast on how to enroll yourself as a customer. The first thing to do is go to your Join Ambit website. This website is used to enroll all your personal customers as well as yourself, and where your customers will enroll theirs. The website you'll be using is username.joinambit.com. This is the name you picked out for your websites upon signing up to be an Ambit Energy consultant. Please refer to your Jumpstart training packet if you do not remember your username. You will see your name at the bottom lower left hand side of the page. Located right there. Now, to get started on signing yourself up, click Sign Up Now. What you will now do is choose your state. When it loads up, choose your state, and you can choose whether it's a residential or commercial. And for this example, we will be using residential, and then you will type in your zip code. You will then choose changing providers at your current location, and then choose if you live in an apartment or a townhome. After that, you want to click Show Rates and Plans. On this page right here, you will see the different rates and lengths of terms we have available. The most often chosen plans are the 12-month or the 24-month terms. Variable rates and green plans are also available for you or your customers. Once you choose the plan you want, click Select, and you will be directed to the customer sign up portion of the website. Here, you'll choose when you want your service to switch. You can choose either as soon as you're able to switch me, which is usually done within 4 to 7 business days, or you can choose on a specific date that you decide. The date can be chosen 3 months ahead of time. Next, you'll want to enter the service address. Please ignore the service ESI ID option and choose service address. This is where you will have to be very specific with the address you're inputting. The first input is going to be the street number. This is only the street number and nothing else. Next, if the street that you are switching over has a direction, such as North Highway 121, this is where you input the direction. For the street name, it's exactly that, just the street name. If your street is Woodsetter Lane, type in just Woodsetter in the street name box. The next input is where you will type in the street suffix, such as lane, drive, parkway, or etc. Now, if you're switching over an apartment, the next box is for the apartment number. Lastly, you will type in the city. The state and the zip code should already be pre-populated. Now click Continue. Now once you type in the address, the website will tell you whether or not it has found that address in its system. It will list the partial ESI ID number. Please review this information and make sure it is correct before proceeding. Once you have verified the information, check on the bottom that asks if this address will also be the billing address. Most of the time you will check the box unless you prefer the bills to go somewhere else. For this example, we will click yes, and so the service address as the billing address will be the same. Once again, making sure all information is correct, proceed and click My Info is correct. Next, you'll enter your name for billing. You will then ask, click Continue. You will then be asked if you want to sign up for Ambit's paperless billing option. Click yes or no and then click Continue. This next page is where you will enter your personal account information. Your first and last name should already be pre-populated. Now enter your date of birth, and your social security number. Type it again for verification. Next, you will enter your home phone. In this instance, just type in the number that is best to reach you. There is no need for you to enter your work phone, and if your cell phone is your home phone, leave the cell number blank. Next, you will type in your email address and then type it again for verification. Now as you scroll towards the bottom of the page, you will be asked if you want a secondary contact on the account. Check if it is yes or just leave unchecked for no. You will then see third-party verification assurance. Just leave it the way it is and keep scrolling down. Once again, please verify the billing address for the service and also verify the plan and term you selected. Keep scrolling down. It'll show you the name of your personal consultant. Make sure this is your name so you can be credited as your first customer. Lastly, on this page, you'll want to scroll down some more and click the checkbox under Customer Acceptance. Now click Submit. Now if you only entered in one phone number, a pop-up box will appear stating that you haven't included your cell and work phone on your application. Do not worry about this. Just click OK to continue. Now, the next page, what's going to happen, and then I will click on this, click out of this right now. The next page you will then see is it will ask you if you want to set up automatic payments for your account. I suggest you skip this step and say no for now and set it up for another date through your customer account website. Now click Continue. Now the system will process your account. One of two things will happen. One, your application will go through and you will be sent to a page with your account number and the details of what you signed up for. Or secondly, you will be sent to a page telling you that you will need a deposit to get service. If it shows that Ambit requires a deposit, don't really worry about that too much. Ambit Energy will do a one-time deposit waiver for all consultants. Choose the I will pay the deposit amount later option. After that is done, it'll take you to a page detailing your account and giving you an account number. Now please forgive me, I don't have that particular page online right now, since we were just using it as an example. Now, once you get your account number, make sure you write down your account number. Now, if you did have a deposit, the next thing you want to do is call consultant support. You can also find that number for consultant support in your Jumpstart training packet. Give them a call and tell them that you're requesting a one-time consultant deposit waiver. They will walk you through the procedure and help you with the deposit waiver. Once that is all done, you've officially become your own first customer with Ambit Energy. The final step will be third-party verification, and we will discuss that in our next video screencast. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations on being an Ambit Energy customer.